This is Bruce at People's Lane in Lakeland, Florida. Excuse me. 45, 57, and 53.91. I think this is train 453, and I believe it is slowing down to stop just around the bend for a recrew. This is 4:53. It is usually much earlier in the day. Now, I don't know if this is true or not. I saw on Facebook that a southbound train hit a truck somewhere in Florida here. And if this is the one, and if it was 4:53, that would explain why it was so late. But there again, that's just something I saw. I do not know if it is fact or not.
M453, this is CSX. Where do I pick you up at? Where's the location?
She can't find where to pick him up.
Oh.
I'm going to run her down there.
Okay.
Real quick, and I'll be right back.
Yep, okay.
Now, if the other one comes, you're not going to get it.
I know.
Okay.
I know.
So do you want to go down there too and go to the other place where the lights are?
Yeah, after this stops.
Okay.
But I
You want to meet me at the gravel yard as soon as you get done?
Okay.
All right, I'll meet you at the gravel yard.
Yeah. Yeah, I did hear on the scanner just now, this is indeed definitely 4:53. And it would make sense if this is the one that hit a truck way up north somewhere, that it would be delayed by 7 or 8 hours. So maybe there is truth to it, or what I saw on Facebook. Okay, it is stopping for the recrew now.